Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one thing about me, I love me some Makwela. I enjoy seeing that girl on my screen because she's funny as hell. Guys, you'll see Uguti, how cute she looked in that diary session with that curly water wave wig and that black dress. She looked gorgeous. But one thing I must be honest about, yabona lendlela uMakwela ihambayo, guys, uzopotlight. This girl just got here. Well, let me not say girl because she's someone's mother and someone's wife. This lady just got here, but in yakhe, you guys. And I don't know, is it that she wants to prove a point that, listen, she does have some sort of influence or weight on this man's life. But I'm just like, Makwela, have you not been watching the past seasons? That once you come to Umusa with that mentality, yokuthi no, mele uyicele ingane. And I don't know what was she trying to prove in this episode, guys, but I just kind of feel like it is rubbing Umusa off the wrong way and he's gonna humble her. Even for her to say ukuthi Umusa unamanga. Yes, I think uMakwela literally takes Umusa Mselegu as my man. And just the way Umusa Mselegu was saying, ena angiyena umay man. Umay man is wrong, Leonto. He is a husband of many wives. So I just kind of felt like, Mongena is Tenjini, guys, and you're the youngest wife. You can't be found saying, Uti, he's lying. It just comes off as disrespectful because, guys, if you notice the dynamics between an older man and a younger girl, there's this respect that the younger girl normally has for the man because the man is not intanga yakho. So it seems like uMakwela, no, this man is not intanga yakhe. There was even a point where she's just talking and Umusa just laughs and he's like, hey, when we are like almost as if it's like she's speaking like a child, and she is a child at the end of the day. And it does say that uMakwela doesn't know her place in this family. And guys, I think it goes back to the same thing that I was saying about uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo saying that uMakwela came into the family with no and zero regard of the other wives, and maybe she's having that mentality because of the way they have spoken things about her before she even arrived. So maybe that can be a factor. But I am seeing what uMakhumalo is saying. uMakwela is behaving like a girl that grew up in Masaba Pimi, that is Zulu but knows nothing about Zulu. Because if you are a Zulu girl who grew up KwaZulu, you'd understand the dynamics of respecting a man, especially usanda figure. At least act humble. Okay? Even for her to say ukuthi ubudlelwane bethu was not based on me coming to make kids in the Mselegu family. Sorry, ma'am. Did you? I think uMakwela is still going to get to the point, Kamakumalo, where she realizes. Because tell me if that makes sense to you. Who doesn't know that your expectation when you get the expectation upon a woman when you get married is to go and give birth? How do you grow a household, guys? A household is grown through kids. So for uMakwela to suddenly, all of a sudden, act as if she's not a Zulu girl who understands these things. Also, why did uMakwela quit her job, Bandle? Why did she see, can't she see uMakhumalo yasebenza, uMangwabi yasebenza, uMayeni yasebenza? Does she think they're just working for fun? She left umsebenzi on ama benefits just to grow. Let me not say just to grow up a child, because growing up a child, guys, is a huge job. But when I was speaking for her on my video that I did last night, I'm thinking she's asking for an increment because she doesn't have a nanny. Ugele has the nanny, and it seems like Umusa has not matched her salary. Shuti naye ke ugele wanted to quit her job and just enjoy her life. life, because that doesn't make sense of how. For an example, Khumalo stays in Durban, Musa traveled. Khona-ke, when they were jollering, how were they meeting up? Do you understand what I'm saying? She could have put in a clause to say, no, I would like to keep my job. Maybe, I don't know, something. But I'm just like, girl, you too young to be quitting your job like that. Okanye-ke, since you've decided ukuthi vele impilo yakho lena, just make sure that you use the Simselebu surname to your benefit because you are young. Hey, guys, kusazoba nzima lana. And Umusa still says that he needs to teach uMakhwela her place and indlela owenziwa ngayo kwamselebu nasemshadweni. Hi, it's going to be a lot, you guys, because it's starting to give vibes ukuthi abamyalanga wherever she's coming from. Also, what type of present dad doesn't know his child's nanny? Hi, uvele wang disappoint again up. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys at the next one.